My name is Shuhada, and today we are going to talk about food preservation. What is food preservation? Food preservation is a variety of methods used in preventing food from spoiling or decaying. Some of the methods are freezing for the ice cream, drying and salting for the anchovies and the bilimbi, cooling for the many varieties of vegetables, vacuum packing for the fish or other types of meat, pasteurizations for milk and yogurt, waxing for any fruit, any types of fruit, and canning and bottling. The main principle in food preservation is to prevent the growth of microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi in food. Today, I'm going to show you another method of food preservation, which is pickling. What is pickling? Pickling is a process of soaking food in vinegar, salt, and sugar solution. For the chili pickling that I am going to do today, we need green chili, some salt, vinegar, a knife, and an empty jar. First, we need to wash the chili with water. Now, we are going to slice the chili thinly. Make sure to have adult supervision while you cut. Now we are going to put the sliced chili into the empty jar. Now we are going to put some salt. And then pour in the vinegar. And then stir a little bit. Now put the lid on and keep it at room temperature for 2 to 3 days. This is the pickled chili after 3 days. As you can see here, there is a change in color and texture. As you can see here, the acidity of vinegar inhibits the growth of microorganisms. Pickles like these can be kept for years. Now that the pickled chili is ready, let's try it. Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it. It's sour a bit.
Pickling is the process of brining food in a sugar or salt solution. This method is commonly used to preserve fruits and vegetables. The acidity or high sugar concentration makes the condition unsuitable for microorganisms to grow and reproduce.